Kawin ne ke jingjia ke balak tamat yong ye ke jai ben riu khasi la ke no ba ke lajia ha kawin ne ke school bala pau nam ha ke jilla bat kata ke de ke Christ International School ka bodon hanongs der Umiam ha ke ba menta ke sngi kawin ke Samla Khasi balik ben hikai kum kan hikai ba shipor official post ha ke school kala ke no ba principal jong ke school ula kren kynshleiñ bat kren ru de ke kintin ki bakum ki diu kintai kin amla satya ban pediang ketika Samla Khasi balabu de no ek kerteng ban kabalik banikai ha ketika school kala keno bo principal jongate ka international school nongsder Umiam balatip kerteng kumu Dr. C Varghese ula kren kynshleiñ nakapor syakapor bat uju pentut ru yaka nakapor syakapor da ka baju ai daw da kumne kumte ketika no hikai kala keno ru badi hadin bakam ailat yauti u principal bo un kren kynshleiñ ne kam ko ngo ya kajing kwa ajung u ula shu ai daw da ki babon rukam bad ula weng kamru yaka halor kani ke jingjia kumbala keno da ketika nong hikai kenong ilam ke seng bhalang bakan thup ya ke nyautrep ashik national movement ka Confederation of Riboy People ka Meghalaya People Social Organization na Riboy District tang Mario jingtim halo kani ke jingjia kilale banya kendo yau te u principal ban tokit bat banya kren ya ke jing shisha henry namar ba te u principal syam lapan pau nipla kumbala keno da kate kanong hikai da ka jing bitar kilale ban khang tala shisndon ya kari kanan hotel kabadon ha bat ka badi try da te u principal ban persya jur halor kini ki kamle kynshleiñ UTU principal kumbala keno da kate kanong hikai na kaliang ki bahaye ngasem jongka mentakesngi kilali ban ujo sendon da ki ijahar persya yaute u principal ka Christ International School nongsder ha Umiam police station baki bor ka an kinle e ka badan kam katkum ki kendon jongka an
The comment again and again, the comment is coming up that when you come to Rikanan, spend some time. Why is the question spending some quality time again and again? It's being passed on. Why? What does it mean by any old man who want to spend some quality time with you? Please tell me. Please explain that. But since day one, whatever I've been facing, I thought like I'll just let it go. But you guys keep traumatizing me and mentally torture me every day, telling me I'm never enough and all of that. And if you want me to expose some more, there's a lot more.
Expose him?
Yeah, about that.
To expose him?
I already people a lot. I've been tolerating these people a lot, you know. And playing around with the board exams, forging someone else's signature, it's something else. And people who preach a lot about appreciation and preaching a lot about truth and being honest, and Dayu, you're not fit for this, Dayu, you're not fit for that because you have a very loud personality. It seems people who have a very timid personality, it seems they're the one who speaks a lot with their actions.
Join the me be ki daw kum tay try kishpin mi daw ni ki again te masit ngambit ken ngadong ong bet ba maybe ka di chumbak lahi chong ate te din ken ski daw mi ki daw pada bangam so ya hap ken che ru ken ki dang te hala din pada ngas dang wangan ni kren hi bet ken yu principal ne sister ikum to ken dang la kren pada yu principal sister pada ki ai bet ken ki daw ki bolong kum ni kum te ken ki bangam hun ken hanga jingsha te din pada ski tharai banga ha bangan kendo ba yu principal man ka por kum to te usdang ken ban keren khama kwar ken yu keren be kita ki kentien ki bolong be ban ong be ba mangangan lechta shari kanan bangan spend quality time but man ka por be ken yu ong be kum ta uang kanya nga ba mangati ba nga long ki ba kat kum kador so film ya ha ban long no hikai ya ha ban long ya ha ka dia ka kum ta ka uang ki babon ken ukran be ki ba kilong be kum pen ibe ba kalong balong sexual be kum to te di man kasi haban yam habas musi laban tatang kata ken tambanga ndre nga men den pada nga ong ba ya ki balaja baro khato kat kum bade kum kata ka Christ School tamba dengan mati ni we dengan kren compromise kenya kata ke baru khat tingalet ki bangan kren compromise kenya ubenen tidak nga kren compromise pada umenen pada uang penban yang ba kum ta ba fis ngau kum ta ba film long comfortable hani school ba film la ban adjust ki jo kini hani school ka ba ja ki la bian la shanai one sure ken kita ka daw ka hado ha poi upot bang ha ban do na ken khala ndre ka baru khat kam biang ra ken kang hamdan ra ka daw ke egen long ka babiang ken hende danga kli ka kam ka jam ki ong bet kam de ra ka kam ka jam ki shu ai daw ya karyam ka bet bang am ya ha ra ka karyam ka chonga ban wan school nga phong ke kan de habang wan school nga phong tang kurta bat jan sam ju phong pala da nang tahan ki daw ki bakim biang ki mla ban ai ban jubab ka babiang hende menen pe danga mul bangan kren compromise ka ta ba dia ki ong pun ban yang ban ai wan school shu ken jola shala biang kut no ki ong kum ta ken
Tena menok ang train school.
na train na do September he na do September
Ke posi piwat.
nga de nga wan officiate ken jui mes hangnya de hende ka jana pat kum ta ken
Nagalang ka seng etanam River District arangkat ka jingan lang ka seng MPSO but ka CORP River District. Nagalang ka seng hadin bangilayo ya ka jing komplain ba ka jing ujor nagalang ikong iba wan ban hikai school agak school. Hadin ba nagalang seng ilayo ika jing tip ba utaw principal ubah hikai ka school kren kynshleiñ khot ban ya spend time sampai support ri kanan. Ya ini ikong ibawan hikai kena school bat nagalang kaseng hadin bangil atip marmar ngilawan si kena jaka banwan jurip banwan kenduk yang ne principal andai hadin ba ngilayo ban ya keren umla ban jubab ya kata ka jingkeli ka ba ikong ila keli ya u ba balai ukhot ban le tia sata seri kanan bat balai ukhot itu ikong balai barabar seri kanan kade kawai ka ba nagalang kaseng gidon ya ka jing saukhya ba na kapor yo iba gineki khalajat ki khar poi ki wan ha ka kerteng kum Kynnoh hikai ban seng ki school ya ki college henrei kai pat ka bangi saukhya bat ngi saukta ba gini ki ki bamtang ya iba sibun ki khun samla ki jongi ki sha nyon ben ki sha le ben ha ka ba ki penbij na ki pisa ki jongki na ki kerdan ki jongki te nagalang kaseng adin bangi lawan jurip ha ka jaka ngi lap ya ka jing sisa bat nagalang kaseng ngin salik bu dak FIR hang te hapo Umiam police station bat lada ki police kim sim khai kene ka kam bat nagalang ka seng ngin sim hi ya ka bor hakti lajong kane ka misit ka bakliar nomor baleng in hap ong kumta namar yo iba ka an hang ne postit jungi kaya da bha ya non tribal kat bayangi ki trai muluk kan kanom yada de na ka daw nagalang ka seng ikwa ban kansai sa ka police department ba kadai ban sim khai kene ka case bat kadai ban kam murder yaw ne principal uba kup seni lang berot Kynnoh hikai henrei kikam ki jong upat ki kam ki bajabo namar udai utrai jong kari kanan ngitip baro ba kari kanan kadai kajaka kaba yathya ki ba sibun ba ngila banong dei nak kadang ong ba umneu dei utrai kari kanan leng ba Kynnoh hikai ki banong nak kajaka ukhot satai sari kanan ban yathya lang ban ya spend time lang bat dikanai kadai ka bangi saukhya ba ngi kerpat ru saki parari ki jongi ba ki dei ban husiar kumiau ne senpu ubawan ha kadur jo Kynnoh hikai ban penjot ya ki khun samla ki jongi de nagalang kaseng nginang budin ni kene ka kam ba lada ngilap biang sa sisin kum kini ki jai kam bat nagalang kaseng ngin ai nagabateng bat nagalang kaseng ikwa ban penpau ba menta kaseng ngin lai satai support ri kanan bat ngin khang suai yak te gari kanan kat bam pelak ban penbaik ya kene ka kes kene ka de ka misit ka bakliar nagalang ka jungi ka seng
the miss was not appointed by us. She was sent as a substitute for one of our teachers, Miss Evangeline, and she was coming here, and the principal found her many times not able to control the classroom, not able to do as the way we were working with other teachers. So she was told 2-3 times to correct herself, and she was going around like that. So we were waiting for the other miss. She was sick, the original one. So we waited the exam days. So not much teaching. So we allowed her to continue. And just 3 days back, she came here during the assembly a bit late, and she said, I had an accident. So then she said, I'm having pain. Then I called one of the nuns to take her to give the balm and all. Then she said she has not taken the breakfast. So we gave her the breakfast. And then she had a discussion with the sister. I know nothing about it. And she revealed her depression, the medicine she's taking, and all those other problems. And she was also, I came to know, in the treatment of mental problems. And We are here, exam days, all the teachers are here. Nothing what she claims is not done. She is absolutely baseless and untrue. And she has, yesterday, she told me, I want to talk to you. Then all these teachers have seen I am standing in the basketball court only. And all the teachers, she said, I am not happy here. You are not, the teachers are correcting me all the time. And I asked her, is her first experience of teaching? Yes. And earlier she was running a business. So I did tell her, you dress like a teacher and come. She was dressing going for fashion show and all that. So we did tell her this is not the right way to be in the school because we are having a senior secondary school. And she said, I don't want to continue. Then I said, yes, you are a substitute only. So you can discontinue from tomorrow if you don't want. And I'll call the other teacher. Then I did call this sir and informed him. That's all the truth, nothing else.